Hi everyone, this is Angela Ken and you're watching Mix, the Beat of Our Culture.
Actually, I was very lost on writing. Yun talaga yun. Dun siya lang simula. Kasi, ang last ko atang release nun was Dagbana or Alas 10. And sabi ko, ang hirap ng magsulat ng kanta. Hindi ko na alam kung paano sisimulan. Parang, paulit-ulit na, or parang, may part na sa akin na may writer's block and at the same time yung pressure na, ah, ano bang bago? Ano bang meron pa sa'yo, Angela? Parang wala naman na. So, isa yon. And then, yun yung naging parang starting point na, and with the help of my partner, Patrick, talaga, isa sa mga inspirasyon ko. At siyang tumulong sa akin magsulat ng buong EP. Hindi naman siya writer, pero naging writer siya for me. So, talagang ayun, dun siya nag-start. And then, after that, ang first namin kasi talagang nasulat was Kulimlim. Tapos, pagkatapos nun, and then, sabi ko na, ano bang plano ko pa for the next few months, for the next years? Parang wala pa. And then, doon siya nag-start nung nasulat namin yung Kulimlim. Na-realize ko na, wala pa akong EP, wala pa akong mga next na i-release. Simulan na natin to. Na ang ganda ng panahon, maybe is the perfect timing. And then yun, boom, panahon happened. And the rest is history, even the next tracks along with it. Baka bukas, baka bukas kasi is, I imagine it as a sunset. Yan, yun yung oras niya sa araw. Yun yung panahon niya sa isang araw. Siya yung sunset. Kasi from the title itself is baka bukas. Full of hope. And nagsisimula naman yun sa pagsikat ng araw sa umaga. So, yeah, yun po. Nakaka-pressure po. Sa totoo lang. Sa totoo lang, nakaka-pressure siya. Kasi syempre, yung vulnerability mo nilalabas mo sa lahat ng tao. Um, may part doon na experience ko, may part doon experience ng mga kaibigan ko, may part doon experience na napapanood ko, nakikita ko, naobserbahan ko. And ang pinaka-main na nararamdaman ko is sa totoo lang, na kinakabahan po ako at nadala ako. Pero, yun yung gusto ko nang matanggal. Gusto ko na siyang maiwasan. Kasi, maraming nagtitiwala eh. Maraming sumusuporta. Maraming mas confident pa sa akin na, sige na, labas mo na yan, ganyan. Magugustuhan na ng mga tao. Or, pag nababasa ako ng comments na, grabe yung mga compliments nila, yun talaga yung nagiging reason ko or yun yung mga nagiging pampura ng lahat ng mga takot na napasok sa utak ko. So, and pressure, takot, pero at the same time, ngayon, as of the moment, nangingibabaw yung excitement and yung saya na it's really happening. Na nalabas na namin yung, yes, may EP po, ganyan, 6 tracks siya. Dati kasi sinasabi namin kay Kulimlim, it's just a single. Tapos, kay Pwede Ba Mama, it's just a single track, gano'n. And then ngayon, kay Baka Bukas, nasasabi na namin na it's really a story. It's a full-on story that I'm very excited for all of you guys to hear, to listen, and to embrace as well.
Siguro hindi na lang to sa kay Baka Bukas eh. Feeling ko, lagi ko siyang goal every single time I release a song. I want everyone to feel that it's such a warm embrace. And specifically for Baka Bukas, I want them to know that it's a daily reminder na there's always hope in the future. There's always hope for the future. Na today may not be a good day for you, but knowing there's tomorrow, we always look forward to it. So yun yung gusto ko ding maging reminder sa mga tao when they listen to it. And I want them to feel light and at peace. Na hindi lang din sila yung nagkakaroon ng ganong ng ganong worries when it comes to loving someone na hindi naman sila mahal pabalik. And that's okay. Ang dami na kasi nating mga sad songs about that. And I think it's time to look at the brighter side na hindi naman kailangan laging pabalik, may pabalik na pagmamahal. You just giving that kind of love makes you happy, makes you satisfied already. Kasi wala ka rin pagsisisihan na hindi mo na iparamdam sa kanya na iba siya sa iba ka magmahal sa milyong mata ng mga tao. Yes. Baka bukas is if it's seen or listened to in a romantic way, ganun siya, na loving should be unconditional. And aside from that, baka bukas can also be a song for ourselves, like for all the opportunities we want to claim. Yung mga pangarap natin na ngayon hindi pa natin nakukuha, pero malay mo, baka bukas, makuha mo na. Malay mo, baka bukas sa'yo na. Malay mo, baka bukas ikaw na yung piliin. Malay mo, madaming magandang pwedeng mangyari sa lahat ng mga susunod na buhay. Hello everyone, Angela Ken po, singer-songwriter. Please to stream my newest single, Baka Bukas. It's out now. Okay, it's out now on all digital music streaming platforms. You can also listen to my other songs on all digital music streaming platforms. And if you want to be updated on my other ganaps, just search Angela Ken on all social media accounts. The blue hair, that's me. Follow me, and I'll see you next time. Thank you all.